So, hello once again mga kabuchi. Good morning. So, we are now on August. Today is August 3, 2024 mga kabuchi. And we are here in Mardes Philodendron Garden because we are gonna be checking the plants that we bought online mga kabuchi. So, we have two additional plants in our garden mga kabuchi. So, may nakapagsulod mga kabuchi. May pagsulod na ko. So we have two new plants here mga kabuchi. This is the fiddleline. Fiddleline? This is fiddle tree. Bambino. So this is a dwarf tree mga kabuchi. And this is quite famous and we wonder why. So that is why we are buying one. And here is our new plant mga kabuchi, the Monstera Thai Constellation. So this is my second time buying this plant mga kabuchi, and hopefully this time around mga kabuchi, this Monstera will thrive here mga kabuchi. So kana lang siya mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.